respected Dr. Valethan, Dr. Achyut Nair, John Samuel, Dr. Majid, Engineer Suhair, Dr. Yunus, and very many distinguished citizens of, I wouldn't say Kerala, even India, present here at this August function. Basically, for two things, Vakam Maulavi Memorial Lecture, as well as by Dr. Valethan, as well as the award function, this year's N.A. Karim Award recipient, Dr. Achyut Nair, Achyut S. Shankar. So these two events are the main focus today. So I was actually wondering in this session what kind of a presidential address I should make, and about the trust, the objectives, as well as Vakam Maulavi's life, Chairman Engineer Suhair has already mentioned. So I was thinking that I would say something about how I saw this trust and its objectives in relation to its activities over the past 30 years or more. Of course, the trust is only 28 years old, but the thoughts on it started a little bit earlier. And I had the great privilege of interacting with Bashir sir much before the trust was conceived, started. Even while he was working in ILO, while I was teaching in then Regional Engineering College, the present NIT, our principal, Professor Bahauddin, was his brother, and on his annual vacation, he used to always visit our campus, stay there for a few days. That used to be an opportunity for me to discuss with him on various aspects of life those days outside of India, which I didn't have opportunity at that time. Then, while in Trivandrum, when he had actually settled back here, and he wanted to set up this trust, he had two things in his mind, which he used to say. One thing is, there should be a center for inter-religious studies, where the much needed cooperation between the various religions, or what we say the intermingling of the thoughts under various religious faiths, should be kind of integrated and passed down to the public so that better harmony will occur in the society, for which he really wanted one section of the trust to work continuously. The second thing he used to say was that science and technology is so much important in the lives of the people, and we should be able to have a discussion forum as well as dissemination activities that would take the best of science and technology that would immediately affect the life of the people, for which we should be working. So these two things together, he wanted this to be a center which is very open, free, and do research in any one of these areas, basically with a social focus, fearlessly, without bothering about what the government will think or what somebody else will think about that one. He wanted it to be totally independent, and he wanted a good library to come up there. So these things, I think, the trust is even now trying to realize. I still remember several movements which has actually been originated with the small facility before the current building came there, Power System Group. That was the first time after the Silent Valley debate in the late 70s. Second time, the energy scene of Kerala was actually critiqued by experts who are working within the energy field as well as outside the field. And we had a free forum there, any time to go there, hold a meeting or call a conference with whatever facilities were there. And like this, I know that number of groups had many kind of discussion sessions there. This, I think, is not available anywhere else in Trivandrum. Using this whole facilities there, you can actually have a kind of a new thought brought in your profession or in your area of activity or what you think should happen in society. So this has been a very major contribution of this trust and the facilities there. And my only regret is that even now the facilities are not being fully utilized by many NGOs as well as many such what you call the think tanks in the city to have this as a busing activity center, meeting point, and kind of interacting with people of different disciplines. I'm sure under the leadership, these things will happen. And in a way, I would also say that the award scheme that has been introduced has been very unique from the kind of awards that we hear about and being delivered almost every day, sometimes even more than one in this city, Trivandrum, or elsewhere. This has been very specifically set, this award scheme has been set in how social action has been made to move by a particular person without actually sacrificing even a bit of his own profession or his career. He continues to work in his own profession. At the same time, he does something beyond that, as Dr. Karim did, as an activist or a social movement leader. So that kind of social activities being done, and very specifically, the award was also meant not for people who have actually finished all their activity parts, and then to kind of recognize their laurels and just to say that he has done a lot of great things. It has been said that they should have many more years of activity, so that this award should be a kind of a pushing point or a turning point for him to intensify his activities in the social scene and creating models for the youth to start working in the society, trying to solve their problems without actually being a full-time activist or a full-time revolutionary. So this is a kind of a very smooth, not silent, but very modest way of doing social revolution. And that kind of activities by persons of such caliber, they are being celebrated, recognized, and awarded by this function. I think these two are, in the NGO sector in Kerala, something totally different. And this could even be, just as I have mentioned, while science and technology as interreligious studies, these two pillars were actually originally brought together by its founder himself. Any kind of activity can actually fit into this particular format of the trust, and all people have got kind of access as well as opportunity to working with the students in education, in research. And the latest thing that recently Trust has actually done is to have a Swadeshabhimani media center being established, about which Engineer Suhair mentioned. And this is of a different kind of, we can expect journalists of a different kind, journalism of a different kind, wherein we will find that the real strength of media will be, for the first time, brought to light, especially now. The dominance of social media, the kind of print media, as well as the what we call the digital media. Above that, the kind of social media, its strength, its way of functioning and its level of influence are things that are very, what I should say, uncommon or unprecedented. And therefore, there should be some way in which the entire media spectrum is integrated and focused for social benefit. And that's again one of the laudable objectives of the trust. And I am enormously happy that Dr. Valethan, I first met him 41 years back, 1974, when I was the Southern Region Electrical Inspector, when he was actually trying to set up the Sri Chitra Center. I found 1,200 milliampere X-ray machine, because at that time I had never heard about more than 300 milliampere X-ray machine. So this is such a huge thing. Generally, a junior inspector should have gone and visited this and given the safety certificate. I said, I want to go and see that, and I just went and saw that. Then, having seen the power supply scenario there, I just said that I want to meet the director. So I just went to his room. Then he just asked me what I can do for you. Then I just explained, oh, I have done this business, but I would like you to take a little bit more care about your electrical system. Otherwise, some of these equipments which are costly would actually get burnt. Maybe they will be costing 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Dr. Valethan immediately jumped out of his head. And what you said? 6 lakhs. Come on, come with me. He just took me to different rooms, and said, this is 28 lakhs. Those days, 74. And then in another room, he said, it's already, its head is gone. And like that, he showed me several machines. And then came back to the room and asked me what to do. So I just gave some suggestions, and he did it. And then he's building up that very different medical care center. Has actually taken care for all such things, very minor things. And that is how a center of exceptionally different characteristic has emerged. And I'm extremely happy that today I'm here, and I'm here listening to his lecture. Of course, in between we had a lot of other interactions while I was in science and technology and beyond we had, but a man of such brilliance and such love for human beings. And as has been mentioned, the day Dr. Bashir almost fell into the hands of Dr. Valethan after that meeting in University College. He himself, in his own car, I think, he was rushed to the hospital, but of course nobody could save. That is a different story. Anyhow, thank you, sir, and Achyut Shankar also. I had, as a student in engineering college, I had, while the Kerala Science Congress was being held, I remember to have one of his papers, research papers, presented at the Congress, being recognized for merit. And he has been continuously doing that kind of meritorious service. And I'm very happy that I'm here at this function also when you receive this great award. With all other colleagues, I think I have taken a little bit more time. Anyhow, thank you very much for this hall full of people who look forward to Vakam Maulavi Foundation, as well as to the lectures of these two distinguished personalities. I bow before you now, and thank you very much.